Criminology is not just an academic pursuit, it prepares individuals for a multitude of fulfilling careers dedicated to understanding crime, its consequences, and how to build a safer society. In this lecture, we'll explore the wide range of career paths you can take with a criminological background. Directly related to your degree, law enforcement, police officers patrol communities, maintain order, enforce laws, investigate crimes, and gather evidence. Detectives conduct in-depth investigations, analyze evidence, and build cases against suspects. Forensic science technicians, specialists who collect and analyze evidence like DNA, fingerprints, and ballistics from crime scenes. Crime analysts examine crime data and patterns to identify trends, predict future occurrences, and aid law enforcement in crime prevention strategies. Courts and corrections, probation officers supervise offenders released into the community, ensuring they meet conditions of their release and supporting their rehabilitation. Correctional officers maintain safety and security in prisons and jails, supervise inmates, and may provide rehabilitative programming. Court personnel, roles like court administrators, bailiffs, or paralegals assisting the judicial process. Policy and research, policy analysts research the effectiveness of crime-related policies, suggest improvements, and inform lawmakers and agencies. Researchers engage in academic or government research institutions, studying crime trends, evaluating programs, and contributing to the knowledge base. Skills transferable to other fields, social and human services. Social workers may work with at-risk population, victims of crime, or offenders, offering support, case management, and counseling. Youth workers work with young people involved in or at risk of falling into criminal activity, offering mentoring and prevention programs. Advocacy groups help victims, support rehabilitation, or advocate for changes to the criminal justice system. Private sector security specialists protect individuals, organizations, or assets using crime prevention methods and risk assessment. Fraud investigators help companies or institutions identify and combat financial crime such as embezzlement and insurance fraud. Loss prevention specialists work with businesses to deter crime and reduce losses like theft or shoplifting. Further education and specialization, advanced degrees. Criminology is a solid foundation for graduate studies in law, criminal justice, public policy, or social work, expanding your career opportunities. Specialized certifications can focus on areas like cybercrime investigation, threat assessment, or crime scene analysis. Key skills and traits for criminology careers: strong analytical abilities, examining data, identifying patterns, and drawing logical conclusions. Critical thinking, discerning information, understanding complex systems, and evaluating arguments. Effective communication, writing clear reports, giving presentations, and interacting professionally with diverse individuals. Problem solving, finding creative solutions to challenges within the criminal justice system or in crime prevention. Empathy and cultural sensitivity, essential for working with victims, offenders, and those affected by crime. Conclusion: a degree in criminology offers a versatile foundation for a wide range of existing and impactful careers. Whether drawn to the front lines of law enforcement, the pursuit of justice, or the development of impactful policies, there is a path within criminology for you. Through continuous learning and gaining experience, you can create a fulfilling career combating crime and contributing to a safer society. Next time, we'll start our journey into the world of criminological theories, beginning with classical and neoclassical schools of thought.